Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, many of them can understand and write English, but they fumble while they speak. And the reason behind that is lack of confidence and the lack of practice. But today I'll let you know few steps which you can follow to improve your English. The first and foremost thing is being confident about yourself. By this I mean to say, feel good about yourself that you can do it and you will do it. Next thing you can do is read a book or an article, take a paragraph, read it and then write it even. And spend at least 1 hour a day in your initial days and then increase it to 2 hours. You need to devote your time to be fluent in English. The next thing you can do is speak with your family members or friends in English. The communication should be in English. Interacting in English with your family, friends or colleagues will boost your confidence. You might make mistakes, don't worry. Let people think what they want to think, but don't be afraid of making mistakes. Be afraid of not even trying to do it, right? And I am here to help you out. The next thing you can do is watching videos. This will also help you improve English. But in total, remember you need to spend only 1 to 2 hours in initial days. Don't keep on watching videos. Concluding today's video with a small suggestion. Please do not compete. Everyone has their own pace of learning and understanding things. Start slow, do whatever I said, and you will definitely improve your English. Thank you.